Hi everyone, Gina K Designs had a release this week, an October release. I did not buy it because last week she had another release and I bought that. And that is from, she collaborated with Thermoweb. So I'll show you what I got. Let me open it up over here. I'll open it up on my second desk. See, that's why I'm glad I got a second desk, because I can put stuff on my second desk while I'm crafting, and I don't have to all have it on the same desk. More room. Alright, so this is called Penguin Pals. And I'll show you this kit in just a second. I want to also say that I picked up the craft and carrier sheets. And you get 6 in here. And that was, I don't remember. I think that was under $5. I think it was like $4.95. And I wanted to get these craft and carrier sheets because I have the mini mink. And my craft and carrier sheet that came with it is now all black and gross. I don't know what happened to it. You feed it into the machine when you're doing foils and stuff. So something happened. I don't know. So I wanted to pick these up. And that's not a bad price because they'll last a while. I don't know what happened to mine, but they last a while generally. So that should last me a long time. And here is the Penguin Pals card kit. I needed this like a hole in the head, okay, but I got it. And I'm going to show you what they included inside. So, Thermoweb did a really good job because this was $59.95, but I'm going to show you what you get. Oh, I get $5 off my next order. Gee, I wonder when that's going to be. Next week. So, you get this stamp set. Sorry about the glare. It's got the cheese. It's got wishing you happiest of holidays. It's Penquin to look a lot like Christmas. Now, I didn't know if they could do that because I know Lawn Fawn has that same thing. It's Penquin to look like a lot. It's Penquin to look a lot like Christmas. I'm pretty sure that's the same exact sentiment that they have. And that stamp set was out a while ago, like years ago, but I didn't know you could do that or not. I don't know if you could do that or not. But anyway, whatever. What'll I ever do without you? Wishing you all the joy of the season. I like these fonts, and I'm picky. I don't like a lot of fonts, so that's cool. It comes with a little sign here that you can put North Pole on it, or whatever you want, any of these, or even a thank you, you know. It comes with this stencil set. So you got the stars and the different color circles. It came with the plush paper. So you got black velvet. So it's like when you cut the penguins out, they're going to be very soft and velvety. So it came in black velvet and it came in white latte. So you'll be able to make a lot of penguins with that. The toner front cards. So what you're going to do with this is, this whole thing will have foil on it. So you pick whatever foil you want, put it on the toner sheet, run it through the laminator, and then the whole card you can start cutting out the hats, the mittens, the outfits, whatever you want to be foiled. I like these for that reason. Otherwise, you can also use regular mirrored cardstock, you know, all that kind of cardstock. You can do that. But I do like foiling for the reason of when she has her polyglaze sheets. I don't have any with me right now, but I plan to order some. And when I do, I'll show you. It's basically a card front, and it's all got snowflakes on it, or hearts, leaves, whatever. And you put the foil on top of that so that when it comes out, you have a beautiful design. And that's what I like foiling for. Not necessarily for the card fronts, because like I said, you can use mirrored cardstock for that. You don't even have to foil. But I do like it for those things, and when I pick some up, I will show you. And I know a couple of you also wanted to see that snowflake, the last kit I bought. It's got the snowflake stencil, the layering stencil. I will make a video with that. It comes with the dies. Alright, and when Gina gives you dies, they're already cut. They're not, well, I'm not going to open this, but obviously it's the dies needed for this stamp set. But you never have to take her dies apart or anything. They're already nice and smooth. And the thing I liked about this kit was you got 3 full packs of Radiant Red. This is her red. So it's red with, it's got like star sparkles in it, if you can see that. You get her Brilliant Blue. It's kind of got an iridescent to it, so it's blue, but see, you also got that pink and yellow in it and stuff with stars. And the Glittering Green, and this is also the same thing with those touch of stars in there. So what you're going to do with this is, these dies, well, let me open it up. They're penguins. I'm going to have to cut this. I don't really want to do that. But, where's my scissor? Where's my scissor? Alright, here it is. Usually her dies come on a magnetic sheet for you already, but because she did a collaboration with ThermoWeb, it was ThermoWeb's thing. Like, you bought it through them, not through her. So, shoot. So that's why the dies aren't on that sticky thing, but, yeah, when you get them directly through her, they always come on a magnetic sheet, not sticky thing, magnetic sheet. And I'm going to show you. Here's the penguin die. You're going to do it like this. You're going to cut that out in black. And this is the white piece that goes there. All right. But if you flip this over, you can make a snowman. But I'll just generally show you. So it goes like that. Then you have the tree. You have the feet and the beak. So there's 2 different beaks. And there's the feet. If you want a small beak or a bigger beak, up to you. Here are their wings. Now this is what you do with the foil. You can make earmuffs for the penguin. You can put little antlers on the penguin. You can put a little bow in the hair to make it a girl. You can put and foil the Santa hat. And the Santa hat also comes with a little puffy ball hair at the end that you can foil up and put on the end there. It also comes with, this goes on top like a hat, but you can also use it like a collar. You get this little snowflake. And you get here, do you know I forgot what this is? I think she uses that for a mouth. Like when she did this snowman, she actually used that for the mouth. Oh, I know what this is. I'm sorry. This is the scarf, but she also used it as a mouth on the snowman. This is the scarf, and that's the 2 pieces for the end of the scarf. So you're going to put the scarf and then the 2 pieces like tied over there. That's what that is. And then you have like these different little circles and stuff that you can actually make foiled ornaments with these and stick them on the tree. So there's a couple of sizes there. This is the rim to the hat. All right, and then you have a little star for the tree. And you have, this is for another hat, I think. If you want to just do like a little cap. That's what that, and those are the things that you can foil. So I'm going to play around with this, and I'm going to play around with the other one that I bought that I showed you, the snowflakes and the feeling frosty and the Christmas cuties that I all got. Right after the October daily. When that's over, I'm going to delve into this stuff, and I'll foil a few things, and I'll show you how they come out. If you have any questions about foiling, let me know. I've done foiling now for a bit, but I haven't really posted anything, but it's been a couple of years. I also did it with the transfer gel. I've done that kind of foil too, but the foil that I'm talking about for this kit is the one with the laminator. And to just quickly go into laminators, I used to have I still do have a Scotch laminator that I used to use. But the Mini Mink, that only has 2 rollers, and the Mini Mink from Heidi Swapp has 4 rollers, and it's small, so you'll get better coverage on the foil sticking to the toner. The other thing is Gina K just came out with a fuse. She came out with a fuse. It's a foiling machine laminator, and it sold out so fast that she put another order in. It's limited edition only in amethyst color, in teal. So I wasn't going to get it because I said, well, I just got the Mink 6 months ago. What do I want this for? I'm going to tell you why I'm going to get it. Hopefully I'll get it. I'm on the notify list. She's giving away not only the fuse, but you're also getting 3 packs. You're getting foil, and you're getting 3 packs of polyglaze sheets with an image already on it that you can foil and use as backgrounds for your cards. And the price is like $69.95, and those things alone are just $32, that pack. Those 3 packs you're getting, and you're getting full packs. There's like 10 each in a pack. That alone is $32. So I was like, well, I rationalized it, and I said, I can get this because that means I'm only going to spend a little over $30 for the actual fuse, and I'll use it so that way if anything happens to it, I still have my Mini Mink in case something happens, right? 2 is 1, 1 is none. So that's my rationale for getting this fuse. Now, it's going to take about 2 months to come in because she had to reorder. She was going to reorder because she felt bad. The live came out when a lot of people were at work. They missed it, and it totally sold out. She didn't expect it to sell out, and it did. So I'm on the notify list. So if I'm lucky enough to get one, it should take a couple of months or so, maybe 2-3 months. I'll do a video on it. I'll do an unboxing. And, you know, I really wasn't going to get it. I was like, screw this. I already have the Mink. I spent $70-something on that Mink. And I was saying, like, to myself, why didn't I know this before? I would have not gotten the Mink. But you know what? It's all right. Because like I said, remember, it's like you're only really getting it for like $30-something. That's how I'm rationalizing it. And then that way, if something breaks, I have an extra. I have a backup. So that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. But you all know Damien. He's very supportive anyway, and he would never say, "You already have the Heidi Swapp Mink. There's no reason for you to get this other one." He would never. He would never say it. He's so supportive of everything. And matter of fact, every time we go to the craft stores, he's like, get this, pick this up. This is cheap, get this, get this. I don't need that. Well, you might need it. You might need it in 5 years, so get it because it's cheap. That's how he is. Totally 100% supportive of this craft journey that I am on. And I'm loving every minute of it. So I just wanted to show you quick the Penguin Pals. If anyone is interested, you can, if you want the link to Thermo Web, I don't think they sold out of these, but maybe they did. I don't know. If you want the link, I'll give it to you. You can see, I'll check if they sold out, and if not, I'll give you the link. You can check it out, but I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.